Waking up to zero amount of views on a particular video that you created and you put a lot of effort on it is very frustrating. I know, but do you know that you don't have to go through all the struggle? Do you know that there's a particular thing that you are already doing right that you need to pay attention to, that you don't just know how to do it and when to do them? This thing is asking people to subscribe to your channel. Not just people, you are asking people that click through your video to subscribe who are your viewers. It's okay to ask viewers to subscribe to your channel, it's fine, but you need to know when to tell them. Just imagine me stumbling on your video and clicking it, and the first thing you tell me to do is subscribe. I will ask myself, why should I subscribe in the first place? Why do you want me to subscribe to your channel? Because I don't know what you want to tell me. Maybe you want to tell me something insightful or not. You just tell me that I should subscribe. I will never subscribe. That is the mentality that most viewers have, and that is the reason why you have a lot of people that click your video because of your thumbnail is good and your title is good, is very attractive, it's calling their attention, but they end up not watching your video through the end because you've asked them to subscribe in the beginning, but they are asking themselves, why should I subscribe? I'm not just telling you to trash that, because I do it as well, but I do it at the very end of my video or in the middle of my video. But I'm telling you to know when to ask people, your viewers, to subscribe to your channel so that they will be able to subscribe, because you know they click through your video because of something in the first place. And just imagine you've given them the insightful information they need to know, you've given them the reason why they clicked through your video in the first place. Just imagine that they are going to subscribe willingly. Some even subscribe, but you know you have to say it in the middle of your video or at the end of your video. But at times, you know, some people even choose to say it consecutively. Maybe they don't ask people to subscribe to their channel in every of their video. It's fine. If you can just be saying it maybe 3 weeks or 2 weeks or 1 month, it is fine. But if you can also be doing it, as I do as well, asking my viewers to subscribe to my channel at the very end of each of my video, it is fine. Most creators do it as well. In fact, successful creators do it as well. How you present your video matters most, because it determines whether people or viewers that click to watch your video in the beginning are going to stay through the end to finish watching your video. Now, the parts where we say, hello, I'm Olamide, those kind of intro, they are all gone, they are all in the past. Now you have to give people the kind of hook that will attract your viewers, the viewers that click to watch your video in the beginning. You need to give them the kind of attractive hook that is going to make them stay and watch through the end, which is going to carry them on the journey. Now, you need to work on how you present your video. Just think about it. Let me give you an example. Just saying that there are some things that you are doing that is going to get your channel demonetized that you are still doing, but if you watch this video, you will not do them and your channel will not be demonetized. Just look at that kind of hook, because it triggers their curiosity to stay and watch through the end, because they will be thinking, oh, maybe or maybe that this will help us. I know you want 1,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, even 1 billion subscribers. They all count, but the numbers of subscribers only do not count. If you have return viewers is very, very important, because it shows YouTube algorithm that there are people that have watched your video in the past, that they've subscribed to your channel, and they are still coming back to watch your current video that you just posted. Just think about it. It's going to push your video and it's going to make your channel grow more. This next one is what you already have on your YouTube page and your YouTube channel, I know, but there is a how to do it. If you don't have your laptop with you, don't worry, I get you on this one. Pick your phone, head on to your Google Chrome, search for YouTube Studio. Then you are going to click on the analytics. If you see the analytics, you are going to set it to the advanced mode. Then that is where you are going to see your YouTube channel page. your YouTube channel page. This one is very different from your normal YouTube page, but these settings is where the traffic comes from the most, and it comprises of your banner, your small description, and your featured video, or the very first video that people see on your channel. Even if you don't have your featured video, it is fine. This one is optional. You don't have your featured video, it's fine. I'm saying that it's optional because there are some videos that are set to featured videos that are not meant to be there. They are just nonsense. So before you set any video as your featured video, make sure that ask yourself, even if my crush asks me of my best video, what kind of video do I think I'm going to send to my crush? I know that kind of video that you send to your crush. So that particular video, make sure that that is the kind of the exact video that you put on your featured section. That will be your featured video. But if you can't send it to your crush, don't put anything on that your featured section. Just leave it there. It's not a must. It's optional. But make sure that the next one, which is your banner that I want to talk about, make sure that your banner is not jargons or doesn't comprise of a lot of colors. Even if it's one color or two colors or three colors, but people understand your banner when they look at it. It explains what your YouTube channel is all about or what is on your YouTube description. If it explains that, then it's fine. Even if it's one word that you want to put on your YouTube banner, it's okay. It doesn't have to comprise a lot of words or a lot of colors. The next one is your description. Even if your YouTube description is very small, make sure that the preview is very explanatory and it hits the nail and it hits the point. It's very explanatory for people to understand that, oh, this is all about this channel. Oh, if I'm going to subscribe to this channel, this is what I'm getting. Make sure that it explains that. It doesn't fill with a lot of filler words or any kind of words that is just so bulky, but make sure that it's very straight to the point so that when people see it, they are definitely going to hit the subscribe button. That is all about that. There is this particular video I created. Can you see it here? Is here. If you can see it, let me know. There's this particular video I created that I put a lot of information there on how to gain more views. If you need more viewers and you need to know how to get it, this video is a must-watch video. Now, drop a sentence in the comment section below so that I will personally be able to analyze your YouTube channel and I'll give you the feedback that I got from the analytics that I made.